how can you enable autoplay on your Audiomack app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here above your photo profile here. So you just click here on photo profile. When you click on it here, it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, so you just go down here, you keep going down here, you come here to autoplay. So then you just click here in this sign here. Then like you see this color show for us, that's mean here autoplay enable with us now. So that's all you have to do. I wish know you I get it. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.